inside. Well, hurt will make you wanna shrivel and hide. On the outside, you portray a different light. With love feeling like daisies or butterflies, sitting on cloud nine all the way up in the sky. Got you wondering why. Can words really describe how we feeling inside? Cause hurt makes us hide. Well, love brings out the warmth inside. Make your heart skip a beat with a simple warm smile. But hate hurts people and hurt people hurt people. Well, love people will always love people. See, love people will always reach out. While hurt people always seem to hold back. Let love reign supreme over H-U-R-T. Cause all we really need is L-O-V-E.